Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today what we have is a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I went ahead and taped the back. I'm going to spray the middle. That keeps it taut so it doesn't sink down in the middle. It's not spraying. There we go. These colors, this is Ultramarine blue, and I've got Rouge red by Master's Touch. This is a red by Deco Art, I believe it is. Deco Art Metallics, it's called Festive Red. And then I have this green, it's a mixture of a few different greens. And it turned out to be a really pretty color. And then I have a dark purple. This is just purple mixed with a little bit of black to make it a little bit darker. Then I have a lighter purple. Got a lot of colors. And here's a black. You know, I'm probably not going to use all these colors in this pour, but I just wanted to show you what I have. And then I have this Enchantment by TLP pigment. And then I have, and what's it called? It's Unicorn. I don't know why I forgot Unicorn. And then I have a yellow. So I'm going to start with the yellow at the bottom of the cup, and then just add some colors from there. Not sure which ones I'm going to use yet, but I know I'm going to put a little tiny bit of this white at the bottom. And then I'm going to put a little yellow. I'll just put a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this Festive Red. And then a little bit of the Unicorn. And then a little bit of the Enchantment. And a little bit of this blue. I forgot to tell you I have ultramarine blue here too. And then I'll put a little bit of the pearl mix. And then I'm going to add some of this. Well, let me add the light colors first. Some of the yellow. And then some of this Festive Red. Some of the Unicorn color. Okay, it looks like I'm running out of the Unicorn. And I'll put a little bit of the Enchantment in next. Okay, and then a little bit of the ultramarine blue. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the, the really dark red. Then I'm going to put some of this dark purple. Oh, and I haven't even put any of this green in here yet. Gotta put the green in there. Why haven't I used any of that? Don't know. Let's see what else. Put a little bit of this. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this dark purple. And a little bit of the lighter purple. That's a good way to do it, you know. And then I'm going to put some blue and some of this green here. And then some more of the, well, I haven't put the yellow, but put some yellow in too. Yellow and some of this light purple. And then I'll put some of the dark purple. And then some of this lighter purple. And this should be enough. Now, what am I going to put? I'm going to put the black down for the puddle. Okay. All right. Got a lot of colors in this one. Oh, and I got 2 cups here too. I thought thought it was just one, but I'm pouring from 2. spinning. Go, go. You're gonna get dirty. You're gonna get paint on you. Oh God, this is leaning the wrong way. Why is it doing that? Oh, I don't want to lose all these pretty cells. I've got so many of them. But I got to do something to these corners. I got to fix them. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that one. I like it. All right. So for the corners, I got to put some on the corners. I'm gonna bring it in for a close-up. I'm really happy with this one. Okay. Take this one off. Oh, close-up, that I can't let it go over. Hold on, out. You two get out. Go on. Go on. I'll be out soon. Okay. Hope this turns out. I like it. It has so many. Okay, oh, this is so pretty. Look at those little fingerlingies. Oh, and over there, oh my God, it's so pretty. And then you've got all these little white little stones. And all these sails up here. Sometimes you get lots of sails and then sometimes you don't. It just depends. I don't know, I had the satin enamel and the soft body white paint sitting for a couple of days. Maybe that helps. That's just something to keep in mind that may help it turn out.